Alright you guys, so it is 11:28 p.m. My mom just left. Y'all know my mom lives like an hour from where I live now, so I didn't know if she was gonna stay here or if she was gonna go home, but she decided to go home. She's awake, alive, alert. I'm awake, so I am about to take all this stuff off. I did change into my pajamas that I bought because in the midst of us decorating and everything and filming the decorating process, I also was filming clips for my intro, which you guys have seen at the beginning of this video. So that is why all of this has taken place. But it's hot. Like, I am hot. I have been hot all day because I have been in a bunch of clothes all day, running around, whether that was in the heat or in the house. I just been climbing up step stools, coming down, lifting boxes, opening stuff. Like, I'm sweating, okay? So I'm ready to take all this stuff off. I need to take a shower. I'm ready to go to sleep, but I'm gonna wait until my mom gets home. We're gonna do the rest of it tomorrow. I don't know if she's gonna come and help me or not, but I'm gonna do the rest tomorrow because I have stuff that needs to go on the patio, all this stuff right here. So I have a tree for the patio, a small tree, so I'm gonna put the rest of these balls on the small tree. I'm also going to put some more ornaments on this main tree right here. I didn't really put that many on the back, so it's like when you walk in, you know, and you look at it from a certain angle, the back looks kind of bare. So I'm going to just fill in on the back all the way down. I have so many ornaments, you know, so we're just gonna use up all the ornaments that we have so that nothing goes to waste. So some of these are gonna go on the main tree and some of those lilac ones, and I think I'm gonna save the rest of the purple ones for the small tree as well. Tomorrow I'm gonna put the wreaths up on both doors, do the garland on the balcony, and then the tree obviously. But everything in here turned out to be super, super cute, you guys. I am obsessed with it. I've been looking forward to this. This is like the moment that I have been waiting for, to be honest. And everything came out exactly how I wanted it. I'm just so happy that I am ahead of the game right now, getting all this stuff done. And y'all know that I love Christmas, okay? It's my favorite time of the year, so I'm so happy that all of my stuff is gonna be up for months on end. I got my Walmart candles burning as well. I decided to burn both of them, and they're burning really nicely together. It's pumpkin spice right here, and then this one is salted caramel butterscotch. So they burn really nicely together. Oh my god, I'm excited. So yeah, I'm feeling like tomorrow is gonna be kind of like a weird day. Like, it's gonna be an off day because I know my mom's gonna be tired. I'm most likely gonna be tired. I don't know how much stuff I'm gonna be able to get done tomorrow, but we are going to see. I'm going to try to power through. Tomorrow is Tipsy Thursday. Okay, so I'm about to text my friends to see if they're gonna come over, but definitely gonna be working on content tomorrow. I have to edit a video that's gonna go up tomorrow. And then I'm going to be fine-tuning episode 9 of the podcast. I'm actually about to see if my friend wants to be on the podcast with me, and then she can just kind of like come over here tomorrow night. Maybe she can stay here, I don't know. That way she doesn't have to come in the morning on Friday. I don't know. I need to get an airbed for my house because when my friends want to stay, I don't really have anywhere for them to sleep. I don't have a guest room because the guest room is the office. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on right now, you guys, but I just wanted to check in with y'all and let y'all know that y'all will see me tomorrow to do the rest of the decorations.